Hello and welcome to Engineering Simple. In this video, I'll go through how to convert a number in hexadecimal or base 16 to decimal or base 10. So, convert 4b to base 16 to decimal. So how do we tackle this? So we have 4b2 in base 16. So 2 basically in a position 0. B is in a position 1, 4 in a position 2. So the way you take the coefficients, which is 2 times the base that number is in 16 to the power of that position, which is 0, plus B is in hexa, which is the equivalent of 11 decimal times 16 to the power of 1 plus 4 times 16 to the power of 2. So this here is equal to 1024 plus 11 times 16. It's 167 plus 2 times 16 to the power of 0, just 2, which is 1202. So 1200. So this is one way of finding the equivalent of this hexa in base 10. Basically, you go directly, by just writing the coefficients, times the base to the power of the position. Another way, you can take that same number, hexa number 4b2, and write it in binary. So 2 in binary is just 0, 1, 0, 0. B is 11 kind of decimal, which is 1, 0, 1, 1, and 4 is just 0, 0, 1, 0. So that is the equivalent. Basically, you would group all these kind of next to each other. So then this here is in position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's important to keep track. So 0 times, so you will use these as coefficients. So this basically will just give you 0. So plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 plus 0. Any 0 basically just 0 plus 1. So you'll bring 1 here as a coefficient. 1 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 5 plus 0 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 10 plus 0. So I'm just going to ignore the zeros here. So this here basically is just 2. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. And obviously these are sums. 2 to the power of 7 is 2 to the power of 7 is 128 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 10, which is 124. So if you sum these up, you will get 1,202. So this is in base 10. So that's how you would basically convert. So you have two ways. You can either go directly from hexadecimal to decimal, or you convert the hexadecimal to binary, then from binary to decimal. Thank you and have a great day.